best budget ring light in 2025 to light up your videos or reels. So hello guys, namaste everyone, welcome to my another new video. So guys, in my hand you can see here I have purchased a new ring light for my YouTube videos to light up my videos. So if you are any content creator, YouTuber, TikToker, or if you make reels on Instagram, if you are any content creator, then if you are shooting your videos or any content in indoor, then you have to make sure you have a good lighting setup. So for a good lighting setup, if your budget is low, then you have to purchase this kind of ring light where you can mount your smartphone and you can light up your videos. And there are three pillars to make a good quality video. Number one is audio, this like microphone and anything, your audio must be clear. And number second is editing, and number third is lighting. So if your lighting setup is good, if lighting is adjusting in your whole video, if your face is clear, then your video quality will automatically be better. But if you have very poor lighting, then it is a bad effect to your viewers or any public who is watching your video or content. So for a good lighting setup, if your budget is low, then you can purchase this kind of ring light. So I have purchased this recently. So in this video, I will show you the unboxing of this ring light, and this video is also shooting by this ring light. I am using this ring light to light up my videos. You can see the lighting quality of this video. So without wasting any time, we move to this unboxing. But before that, if you are new in this channel, then must subscribe this channel and also press the notification bell icon, set it for all for my new latest videos updates. So without wasting any time, let's move to the unboxing. So guys, now you can see here I have just ordered from this from Daraz. Here is company logo also, daraz.com. So now let's very fast open this box. I have not opened this box yet, so now I will gonna unbox this. So just wait here, this bill, I keep this inside, and now I just open this box. So everything is clear context, very good packaging like that for its safety. I hope it is 30 centimeter, very light. Okay, so now guys, I hope you are seeing my unboxing. So guys, this is the ring light, our whole circle ring light, and this is the stand, tripod to mount this ring light in this. This is stand of this ring light. So this is only light and this is stand. So again I open this kit. So here is our ring light guys, ring fill light, and here also ring fill light. So here are three colors mentioned here. I hope it is 36 centimeter. So this is the stand tripod for this ring light. So this is separate from this box tripod, and this is our important thing, this ring light. Okay, BD330 ring fill light, ring light. And okay, so this is the packaging guys, I hope you are seeing. Okay, so now let's open this box and get it out our ring light from here. Okay, ring fill light. Okay, oh yes. So guys, this is our important element, ring light, our ring light. So this is charger adapter. What is this? I keep this in the side. And this is our ring light. Okay, so here are different modes also, plus, minus, and power on, power off. Okay, so this is the unboxing. This is the whole just unboxing of this ring light. So this is tripod, this is ring light, and here are some nuts to attach this in this tripod. Okay, and this is, I hope, mobile holder to mount your smartphone. Yes, you can see here there are springs to mount your smartphone, same like this in this picture. You can see here in this box, same like this to hold your mobile phone. So this is the unboxing of this ring light. Now let's move to other details. So these are the 3 different modes of this ring light. And one more tip guys, if you are using this ring light to shoot your YouTube video or reel, then you must keep this height of this ring light according to your eye level. If you keep this near your eye level, then your video quality will look more good, and you can also adjust its brightness also according to your choice. So while making video in outdoor, there is no problem because we get the brightness of sun in outdoor, but while you are shooting your videos in indoor, then there is the problem of lighting. Now the last and the most important, what is its price? So I have ordered this from Daraz. So in Daraz, its price is 1400 rupees. So you can directly check out from my description. There is something 10 or 12% discount also, so you can check that from this description, or I will pin this buying link in comment also. So if you want to purchase this tripod, then you can easily purchase this from Daraz in the same rate. So guys, this was for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please share, subscribe and like. So for now, bye bye guys.